Okay, we have a Hyundai Wia Cnc horizontal machining center, model HS5000I, serial number G3756-0117. This machine was new in 2015 and we're going to run it for you. Machine has a FANUC 32i Model B control. It's got 4-axis. You have 19.7 by 19.7 or 500 millimeter pallets. The spindle is a 40 taper Big Plus cat spindle with 12,000 RPM.
That's 3,000.
3,000 RPM.
That's
6,000 RPM. 8,500 RPM. Okay. We're going to do a tool change. Machine has a 80 tool capacity automatic tool changer. Great. You have 33.5 inches of X travel, 27.6 of Y, and 29.5 of Z. Okay, we're going to do a pallet change. So you have, again, you have those 20 by 20 or 19.7 by 19.7 pallets. All right. We're going to do another one, round and round they go. He's rotating the pallet. Again, you have 360,000 degrees of index. Full forward, there you go, both directions. That's your Z. Again, your Z is 29.5. That's your X. Your X is 33.5. And your Y. And your Y is 27.6. Also, you can see you do have Renishaw touch. And that's it. Hey, thank you for watching our video. Oh, high pressure coolant and remote jog handle. Thank you for watching our video.